few years back, I made a video explaining how I install my harmonic balancers on these LS motors, and some people gave me flack about it because they make a tool. You can buy the tool, and it's basically like a long threaded rod, like a stud. It screws in, and then you work the balancer on with like a large nut. And a washer just pushes it on so you're not yanking on the threads. The crank. What I like to do is I like to get the LSA bolt or LS7 crank bolt, grease it up, and I already got the balancer about 80% of the way on, and I walk it in that way. See, if you were to use your factory crank bolt to do that, you're only going to get like 1 or 2 threads, and you're going to destroy the threads in the crankshaft. I got this bolt from, it's like Powell camshafts, 20 bucks, hardened steel. I mean, the factory bolt used to only cost $3 or $4. Now they went up. So I just take the extra long bolt, and if you look, threads start right about here. It's an inch longer, so the bolt will thread in an inch into the threads before it grabs the harmonic balancer pulling it in. I've done this a bunch of times. I've never heard anything. So at least people are saying it's the wrong way to do it. Well, I've done it on several motors, never had an issue. So now that I got that bolt in, or the balancer most of the way on, you could take that out, and then you can put your factory bolt, and you see it'll thread in about 10 turns or whatever. Then you can walk it all the way on. Then torque it to spec or put Loctite on the bolt and use an impact. You know, you're supposed to use that fancy torque angle spec, you know, turn it 90 degrees and another, 70 degrees, or I don't remember the spec because I've never used it, but I mean, there's a right way to do it, which was GM specs, but you know, the rules are meant to be broken. So a recap, I start my harmonic balancer. You don't put any grease on the seal, but you grease the inside, of course. Or you put a little sealer on it, depending. If you don't want a little oil leak, but that's never really been an issue. You start it using the big bolt. You get it till it bottoms out. Take the bolt out, and then put a little grease or Loctite on your factory bolt. And then walk her on in. Easy as that.